Hello everyone, it's me Maro Mukhtar. I'm your English teacher and today we are going to talk about farm animals. Actually, all of us know some animals, but today we are going to know their names in English. Farm animals. Let's start. Dog, dog. Donkey, donkey. Cat, cat. Mouse, chicken, chicken. Duck, duck. Goat, goat. Sheep, sheep. Cow, cow. Horse, horse. And now, what's your favorite animal? Yes, I like cats. Do you like cats? Yes, I do. Do you like donkeys? No, I don't. And now we're going to listen to some sounds of these animals and you're going to guess. It's funny. So let's start. Hold this sound. Yes, it's a horse. Excellent. What about it? It's a goat. Great. What about this sound? Do you know? Yes, I can hear you. It's a cow. Great. What about it? It's a mouse. Amazing. What about it? Yes, it's a duck. Who this sound? It's a sheep. Sheep. Amazing. Yes, I know this sound. All of us we know. It's a dog. Excellent. What about this sound? Yes, it's a cat. And last sound. Let's see. Yes, it's a chicken. Great. Amazing, you are so excellent. And this is the end of our lesson today. Thank you so much. It's me Maro Mukhtar. See you next video inshallah. Bye.